Big storm coming to South Dakota. Thursday night, 4 inches. Seek shelter. Or whatever that one dude says. Anyways, I'm bringing the El Camino. Oh, maybe I should bring my hoist up. We're gonna bring the hoist up a little too. Not that the El Camino needs it. But I stole the starter off of this car, put on that car earlier today. That's why I was down. Because I'm short. You gotta love that one potato, two potato. See you later.